Whether you bought your Steam Deck at launch, or maybe you purchased it from someone else, you may be interested in learning what the health of your battery is at. And thankfully, SteamOS has a feature built in that allows us to check on it. But first, we need to reboot the Steam Deck into desktop mode. So we're going to press the Steam button right here. We're going to go down to Power, select it with the A button, and then select the Switch to Desktop option. Now, we want to look for the battery icon down here in the bottom right corner of the screen. We simply need to click on that battery icon to bring up the battery and brightness panel. And this is where your Steam Deck will display the health of the battery. If it reads 100%, or really anything above 70 to 75%, then your battery isn't in bad shape at all. I've even read that this percentage will fluctuate around 90 to 100% fairly often. However, if this percentage is 50% or below, then you may want to consider investing in a replacement for the Steam Deck battery. But even then, it may not be that big of a deal. The Steam Deck has pass-through charging support, so anytime the battery is at 90% or higher, and the Steam Deck is plugged in to a proper charger, then it's being powered by the outlet itself and not the battery. So if you aren't worried about the battery life, then you may not need to replace the battery at all. As long as it isn't damaged or swelling, it won't matter what the battery health is at. It just means that your play sessions will be shorter when you're not connected to the charger. And that's a major selling point for a lot of people. No one likes replacing the battery every year, but the Steam Deck and its pass-through charging support allows you to continue gaming without worrying about the battery, as long as you can stay connected to a wall outlet. Now, it's still a good idea to be aware of the battery health of your Steam Deck, since battery life estimates will be different for you compared to what you see reported online due to your battery being at 50% capacity. So go and check what your Steam Deck battery health is and share the percentage down in the comments section below.